Hi students, in this short screencast I'm going to show you how to submit a document in the Blackboard. All materials that you submit to me in this course will be submitted the same way. So I'm going to do the example using the workshops. There's also another video here that you can watch, but I'm making this one specifically for you to watch during workshop 1. So in workshop 1 you can see that there's this icon, the paper, ruler, and the pencil. That's always where you click to submit. I'm going to open it up, and then you can see assignment information. I'm going to either browse my computer or I can share my cloud link here. So first I'm going to show you how to upload the document from your computer. I have it on my desktop. Double click, here it is. This means it's attached. If I want to remove it, I click do not attach. If I want to share a link in the cloud, I'm going to go to my cloud assignment, going to share. Make sure it's shared so I can open it and see it when you send it to me so I can grade it. I copied the link. Now I post the link here. So now that's also a way you can submit. You can choose which way you'd like to submit. Just one is fine. Then I'll press submit. And now I can see it's submitted. You might be leaving this open for a few minutes. As you said, it's still converting the file. So make sure that you give it enough time to complete the conversion, but I'll show you how to check. So now I need to press OK. Now it's really submitted. So I'm going to look at my grades to make sure that I submitted it. And here I see the yellow exclamation. So now I know that it's submitted. I can even open it from clicking on workshop 1. And I can see my submission. So here it is with the cloud. I can just cut and paste that link to see your work. Or you can see it here in the box. So you can close this a little bit and I can open it, see it. So it's really easy, students. Everything is online. It's completely paperless. Good luck.